Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the camera and formatting a fresh SD card inside the menu, because a clean card prevents write errors. Next, set the mode dial to M for full manual control. If you want quicker setups, choose A. Make sure date, time, and file numbering are correct so your files sort properly. Then switch image quality to RAW or RAW plus JPEG so you retain maximum exposure latitude. This matters when you adjust exposure or white balance later. Once done with basics, lock in exposure. Pick shutter, aperture, and ISO. Apply the 1/4 focal length rule for handheld shooting to avoid blur. Set AF mode. AFC tracks motion, AFS locks focus on stills. Choose flexible spot or expanded flexible spot for precise focus placement. Make sure steady shot IBIS is enabled when you shoot handheld to stabilize framing, but remember to turn it off when mounted on a rigid tripod to prevent micro-correction. Now finalize color and output. Set white balance manually or choose a Kelvin value for consistent tones. Pick neutral or portrait picture profile for minimal in-camera processing. If you shoot video, select frame rate, 24, 25, or 30p, set bitrate accordingly, and enable S-Log 3 only if you will grade footage. Finally, verify exposure with the histogram, enable focus peaking for manual focus confirmation, and take a test shot or clip. If things look off, check ISO, AF area, and reset custom settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.